Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I make my Burkina. It is also known as Dugue. Burkina is a very popular dessert in West Africa, rich in all the goodness of millet and milk. It is so delicious and tasty and I love making this. Let's get started. If you're feeling famished, this is where to be. So this is the millet I normally use when I am making Burkina. It is called chakri. I hope I said it right. So in a bowl, pour in your millet couscous. I like to wash my millet before I start using it. So at this point, I am going to wash it. This millet couscous is sold in most Afro-Caribbean and some Asian shops. So in its raw form, it is dry. However, we want it to be soft, but not too soft. So I am going to pour in hot water on the millet and then I will cover it airtight and let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurement in the description box. You can use cold water on the millet couscous as well, but you have to put it in a microwave for about 10 minutes for it to cook, okay? Or you can put it on fire and then you strain the water off. I'm going to check for the softness of the chakri. Like I said, we don't want it too soft or too hard. So give it a stir. Pick a few grains and squash them. If it is soft enough, then you're good to go. But if it's still hard, add a little bit of hot water, cover it airtight and let it sit for about 15 minutes. So you see how it looks? Yeah, this is how I like mine to be. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the base. I'm going to use natural yogurt, but you can use any yogurt that you want. However, I like to use natural yogurt. Make sure you use everything in there. Add in brown sugar. This is my preference. However, you can opt for white sugar, honey, or even you can do it without any sugar. Give it a stir. You have to mix everything together so that it mixes thoroughly. At this point, I'm adding condensed milk. This is optional. Give it a stir. So at this point, I'm adding in vanilla essence, vanilla flavor. You can add any flavors you want, but I prefer the vanilla. Add in the millet couscous. Make sure the millet is cool. Do not add it when it's hot. Give it a stir and mix it all together. If you're feeling famished, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Sax Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your food success. Beautiful. So you add it bit by bit because you want to be sure that you get the right consistency, okay? If you feeling famished, this is where to be. And if it's too thick, what you can do is you can add in whole milk. However, it depends on how you want it. If you want it light, if you want it thick. But I prefer it not too light, not too thick. So I've added some whole milk.
to my millet. Okay, you can add skimmed milk, it's preference, so it depends on how you want it. If you don't like whole milk, you can use soya milk, you can use skimmed milk, or you can use evaporated milk if you want. You can add in milk powder too if you want. And voila, my Burkina is ready. I always like to keep my Burkina in bottles so that I can take it to work, and I put it in the fridge, and within 5 days it's gone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, bye for now.